Hello everybody, this is Tommy Myers with MarineMax Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas. Today I want to show you a really cool boat. We have this beautiful Scarab 255 ID. This is a really cool boat. Some neat features on it. You got a giant swim platform with rear facing seats, so I can flip this back and hang out on the back of this boat all day. And you've got a nice little walk-through transom right here. So you can walk through the transom, not worried about stepping on your cushions. This boat is absolutely loaded. It's rated for 13 people. We've got a water sports tower, a Bimini top. You can do some nice things like open up leg room, or you can have more seating in the bench area. This boat has a flat screen. We got flip up bolsters on both driver and passenger seat. And for those that would like to have a nice head, we've got a really nice porta potty head unit on this boat. Lots of room up in the front with the playpen area for all the kids to hang out or just lay out in sun. This boat's loaded with a premium stereo. You've got sub, cockpit speakers, bow speakers, transom speakers. Scarab boats, twin super horsepower motored boat. Absolutely, this is a great deal. Come on down to Sail and Ski Center, MarineMax Sail and Ski, Austin, Texas. I'm Tommy Myers. Thank you.